Hello, I'm in a shipping container, but let's not dwell on that. I'm here to announce something, and by reading the title of this small little video, you've probably got a good idea. That's right, I'm developing a game. I've always enjoyed gaming, and I've always wanted to create a game, and now I am. I have officially started development on a game. Very early stages, don't know when I'm actually gonna release it at the moment because I'm juggling a lot of other things, so it's not my #1 priority right now, but I am slowly chipping away at it, and it's so far a lot of fun. Now, I'm not going to reveal anything just yet about the game, except for two things. This is all you're getting. I'm going to save anything else for when I officially announce it with a trailer sometime in the future. I don't know when. But just know this is a project I'm going to be constantly working on whenever I have spare time. Now, what I will reveal now is it's going to be a cozy game, and it's going to be pixel art, 2D pixel art. That's what I'm going with the style, and I want it to have a cozy feel. So that's as much as I'm going to give for now, but if you want to follow along more and get more information on this, go check out my other channel right here, and you can also find a link in the pinned comment to my first video on that channel where I might explain things a little bit better if you want to follow along with this project. So yeah, uploads here will remain the same as usual, and yeah, that's pretty much it.